In this video, I want to do a sit-down question and answer with my wife about how to prioritize fitness when you've got a family, things are chaotic, and things are busy. Welcome to Dad Bod Fitness. If we are just meeting, my name is David, and I help crazy busy dads and moms to build a physique. If you want to maximize your muscle growth and strip the body fat, transform your life while leading your family, consider subscribing. So in this video, what I want to touch on fairly quickly is just how to prioritize working out when you've got a family, when things are pretty busy. And we have 3 kids, we run 3 businesses. Now, I'm not trying to say that to sound really busy, because we all have like 1,000 different things going, but we just wanted to really quick touch upon things that we've tried and what we found to be successful. So for me, I think I used to work out in the evenings. The evenings were the best, they're the most ideal for me. And I think it was around the time that our son was, I don't know, was he 2-ish or so?
Something like that.
As he got to the point, I would get home and Chris would be like, I need a break. So in that case, I just slowly had to then transition into the morning, which, to be honest, I've enjoyed more. It's easier for me to prioritize my workout, and it becomes like my own space, my own time. So I'm usually doing it, most of my workout is done before anyone else is up. So I'm usually up somewhere between 5 and 5:30. So that makes it very feasible for me to get it in. But I wanted to bring my wife on for her to kind of speak to that, because she's at home with 3 children.
Yeah, so to make it a priority, I have really I've done it in the morning most times because that's when my kids are happiest. If I tried to do it at night, we'd probably have issues. I'd get interrupted like 8 bajillion times.
Never.
I already get interrupted. But I do try to get up before my kids. It doesn't always happen. So honestly, I put on a little show and let them watch a little TV while I get it done. And a couple things that I've tweaked over the past few years of having kids, especially right now with a little one, I would love to do an hour workout, but I just can't. I just can't get them happy for that long. So I do a half-hour workout, and what else?
Well,
and I let them watch a little show, and for Aiden, I make sure to just make sure he's fed before.
Yeah,
beforehand,
lots
so
of
he's
different
happy.
options, setting him in different toys or laying in the play mat, just different things.
Bouncer, so he stays happy while I'm doing it.
And we've found a fairly positive and educational and entertaining show for our kids that we try to encourage them to do. Not always, but we try to.
Yeah.
And I think the cool thing too for you has been with the progress that she's made over the past 15 weeks, 14 weeks, maybe a little less, with just 30 minutes a day. So you do 30 minutes 5 days a week, and then she does one very light
day.
like a walk, or
And then one rest day.
And what's the progress you've made?
So I've lost 10 pounds so far. My weight was not going anywhere after I had him. My other 2, it kind of just came off pretty easily, but this one, it did not happen like that. So I just had to be really intentional about making sure I'm consistent about working out, consistent in my nutrition and my calorie target. So I'm really happy, but I have 10 more to go.
And we're getting there. But that's a cool thing. I think what we want to encourage you to be able to do is to start very small with like a 20-minute block. I mean, if you've never done anything before, highly recommend start with resistance training, any sort of resistance training. Do 3 days a week for 20 minutes. So just to give you a sense, I'm going to throw a link up to a video about when he was born, a video that I did where I talked about how I had to completely change up the way I was doing my workouts. So I'll link to that above, but basically I had to completely remap and go to only 3 days a week, and then I do 1 day of cardio. But you can make massive progress and results, and it's going to make you feel better. It's going to give you more energy, even though it seems like in the short term it takes away.
Yep, when I don't work out, I'm definitely more sluggish that day and grumpy. It just makes me happier.
It makes you feel good. And then you make progress.
Yes.
So anyways, stay tuned. We're going to have another one of these coming out next week, question and answer. All right, so comment down below what questions you'd like us to answer. We're by no means the absolute expert, but we want to give you one opinion about how you can do this when you do have a busy lifestyle. Because parents especially, we want you to be fit and healthy.
Bye!
As always, be intentional and bring the intensity, and I cannot wait to see you on the next video. We cannot wait to see you on the next video. And now, off to our date.
Grocery shopping.
Gotta do what you
Whatever
gotta
works.
do.